This is how to install WordPress on InfinityFree. From your dashboard, select an account, then add a domain. You can choose to add a subdomain or you can use your own custom domain. We will add a subdomain. Then add a subdomain name, for instance, my WP site, and select an extension. So let's use this extension and just click create domain. Then we will recreate directory. Next, we will install WordPress. So just click the script installer. Go to WordPress and click install. Then we will choose the subdomain we have created. Add an admin username. You can set a site name as well as site description. And click install. And now we have successfully installed WordPress. You can go to your domain by clicking this link. And now we have just installed WordPress with SSL. So this is how to install WordPress on InfinityFree.